In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a navbar at the top while scrolling in Webflow. To get started, open your project in Webflow so you can access the page where your navigation bar is located. Once your project is open, find your navbar component. You can do this either in the Navigator panel or by clicking directly on the navbar in the canvas. Either method works fine, so just use whichever feels faster and more comfortable for you. The important part is making sure the navbar itself is selected before you change any settings. With the navbar selected, move over to the Style panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll control how the element behaves on the page. In the Style panel, locate the Position section. This setting determines how the navbar is placed and how it reacts when someone scrolls. Open the Position drop-down, which is usually set to static by default. From here, choose either sticky or fixed, depending on the effect you want. Sticky is usually the recommended option because it allows the navbar to scroll naturally with the page at first, and then lock into place once it reaches the top of the viewport. This creates a smooth and modern scrolling experience. Fixed behaves a little differently. It immediately locks the navbar to the top of the screen and keeps it there at all times, floating above the rest of your page content. If you want the navigation to always stay visible from the moment the page loads, fixed is the better choice. After setting the position to sticky or fixed, the next thing you need to do is adjust the offset. In the same position settings area, look for the top property field. Set this value to 0 pixels, or simply 0. This tells the browser to align the navbar directly with the top edge of the screen with no space above it. If you skip this step, the navbar may not sit exactly where you expect. Next, assign a z-index. Still under the position settings, find the z-index field and enter a high value, such as 100 or 1000. This is important because it controls the stacking order of elements on the page. By giving the navbar a higher z-index, you ensure it stays above other content as users scroll, which also helps keep your navigation links visible and clickable. Once that's done, preview your page and test the scrolling behavior to confirm everything looks right. Thanks for watching.